Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved and how the price of natural gas can move on Monday. See, if you look at the price from 2023, there is a continuous downfall and we have seen it has already made a low of around 20.05, $2.054. After that it tries to move upside, okay, and made a high of around $3, and from there is a continuous fall. So what you have to keep this in mind, because there is a continuous downfall we have seen since 3rd of March, and after that it is continuously on the downside. Probability of going further low is there because the next support we can see coming at around $2.415, and if that level also goes further low, then we can see a level of $2.352. Suppose if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of $2.059, and if that level also didn't sustain, probability of going further low is there. Okay, so you have to keep that in mind, because there is huge chances if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can go further low, and chances of going further low is there because there is a continuous downtrend is forming. Before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move on Monday, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. I have already any doubt regarding natural gas or any other commodities, even forex or stocks, you can ask me any details or a particular detail analysis you want, I can give you. You can mail me and then we can work out how it works. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are very high yes it cannot sustain, and chances of going towards its next support of $2.406, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $2.23. This $2.23 is already a weak support, so chances of touching $2.116 is there, and if that level also didn't sustain, chances of going further low is there, and a probability is very high it can move further low, and a probability of touching a level of $2.006 is there. Suppose if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can fall further down, and a probability of touching $1.8 is there, and from there we can see a level of $1.6. Okay, after 1.8 we can see a level of $1.6, and then further if the price didn't sustain. But suppose if the price move over this particular level, then a probability of going further upside is there, and a probability of going towards a level of 2.5 is there. Once it sustains above 2.5, then it can cross a level of around $2.695, which is already a weak resistance, so chances of touching 2.875 is there. Once the price goes above that particular level, it can cross this particular zone and can touch a level of $3. So once it crosses a level of $3, then probability of going further high is there, then we can see a level of $3.275, and from there we can see a level of 3.505. Once the price sustains above that particular zone, then 3.7 is already a weak support, so chances of touching a level of $3.968 is there, and then from there we can see it can go further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID in the description. Okay, now you have to understand something. You should not be trading. That means you cannot find every trade for you and continuously over trading. Okay, so psychology plays an important role when you play, so I teach how to overcome all these things. Okay, so suppose if you trade with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is 1,000 to 1,500. okay, take a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Suppose if you took 5 trades also, maximum risk is $500, that is 100 per trade. Okay, if you lose 500, it will not affect your psychology, but if you lose 5,000, 3,000, that is a very important thing. Okay, so it will affect your psychology, because then you try to recover your full capital and then you will lose your full capital, this loss. So people do this. Okay, I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.